Crypto time with Willie Doo. It's been a long time since we had a Willie Doo crypto update. How's your crypto, Will?
A bit of a slump.
Yeah, you're slumping.
It's December soon. And,
You're all over the place. You're
I
telling
think
me
it's going to be a crypto winter.
okay. All right. You've been watching too much content, say something like that.
Yeah, what a name, eh?
This story, Crypto.com buys naming rights to the Lakers Staples Center in a $700 million deal. Crypto money ain't like other money. It's like play money, the way people goof around with crypto.
Sure, yeah.
Whether it's NFTs or just Staples Center. We'll take that. We're Crypto.com. We're going to go right from Matt Damon to Staples Center. It's weird. Staples Center seems so iconic at this moment, but I guess anything can do that if it has enough time. The stadium here in Toronto has changed names 50 times. I hate always having to say the new one.
But was it now?
Scotia.
So Scotiabank Center?
Scotiabank Arena?
Arena. So it has like a context to it, right?
Right.
Just like the Staples Center. But they actually want to call it crypto.com.
Not arena?
No. It's just straight up.
Crypto.com building?
Just crypto.com.
The Staples Center will be renamed for Crypto.com next. No, it's going to have to be the Crypto.com Center or something.
I don't believe
You
that.
got to have a
No,
name, man. The deal links Crypto.com with one of the NBA's top brands, offering crucial brand awareness as the cryptocurrency platform positions itself to capture market share in the growing digital currency space. The name change will take effect Christmas Day as the Lakers host Brooklyn Nets in the National Basketball Association's annual Christmas Day game. Oh, they even target the Christmas Day game. Iconic. They got money, man. Damn.
Yeah.
Why don't they sponsor this show? Didn't they reach out? Can't you reach back to them? Yeah, reach back to them. Be like, hey, man.
I heard you got that Staples Center money.
Yeah, this podcast, this is not called Lou Later. This is called the Crypto.com. not the Crypto.com show. It's just called the Crypto.com. That's the name of this. I don't know if you knew that, Will.
Yeah. Can you hit us up again, Mr. Crypto?
Yeah, Crypto.com. Come on, man. It's not enough the Staples Center. You need to get out there. We're cheap compared to that.
Sure.
Good Lord. That makes, hang on, just go back 1 second. This is one of the richest naming rights agreements in sports. In September, the Clippers agreed to a $500 million deal with management tech company Intuit. And Chase Bank in 2016 struck a 20-year deal for $300 million for the Golden State Warriors. Yeah, man. $700 million. Crypto.com. Going for it, man.
What do you think they're going to name it? Crypto Center? No, it's crypto.com.
No, it's going to be the Crypto.com Center.
Oh, that sounds so weird.
That's what it's going to be. Or Crypto.com Arena, one or the other.
Yeah.
Or Stadium. It could be Crypto.com Stadium.
And it has to be .com. They have to add that in there.
I think so, because crypto, if someone goes and Googles crypto, they're getting all kinds of stuff.
That's true.
They want the .com. I think they got on the jersey. Yeah, they did. The Portland Trail Blazers got a crypto patch on the jersey.
Same with UFC as well.
And the Miami Heat home arena is named after a different crypto platform, FTX. And that deal was only $135 million.
Mm-hmm.
So, well, obviously the Staples Center is going to cost a couple more bucks.
Kareem's not happy. Look at his face.
He's looking right up at the article.
Yeah.
I think he's got other issues going that he cares about more than the naming and the cryptos.